And here is after with the new bearings. Now here's the trick. It doesn't spin as long. There's more drag on it, but it's a whole lot more smooth and quiet. The other thing that I did, there are these little shim washers in here, and then there's some underneath as well that you can use to make minor adjustments in the height spacing of the guide. But I didn't have all of them in there before, because what was happening with these other bearings is they'd end up rubbing on the shields or the rubber seals if I had all the washers in there. Well, this isn't really an application where you need to have rubber seals anyway, so these have metal shields. I can get all the shim washers in there, and it makes it a snug fit when the snap ring goes back in there. And that provides proper preload for the bearings. So they weren't properly preloaded before, and this is just a whole lot better. I'm pretty excited to get the bearings loaded in the real idler, because that was really noisy before, even with, well, especially with these new bearings. You can hear those. And they do spin for a long time, which I guess is great if you're trying to impress somebody with your skateboard wheel. But if it's not smooth, it doesn't work good for this. So there we go.